Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi using a sushi maker. First, gather your essential ingredients: a sushi maker, sheets of nori seaweed, and perfectly cooked sushi rice. Remember to season your rice properly with rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt for that authentic flavor. Also, have all your desired fillings, such as fresh fish or crisp vegetables, prepped and ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable sushi making process. Now let's load the sushi maker. Carefully open your sushi maker and lay a single sheet of nori seaweed flat inside, ensuring it covers the base. Next, take a small amount of your seasoned sushi rice and spread it evenly over the nori, leaving a small border at one end. Then, neatly arrange your favorite fillings, like sliced avocado or tuna, in a line down the center of the rice. Don't overfill it, as this can make rolling difficult. With your ingredients in place, it's time to roll. Close the sushi maker securely, ensuring the lid locks into position. This step gently compresses all the ingredients together. Then, using the plunger, slowly and steadily push the sushi roll out of the maker. You'll see a perfectly formed cylindrical roll emerge. Once out, place the roll on a cutting board and, using a sharp, damp knife, slice it into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your homemade sushi. To perfect your sushi, always use a slightly damp, sharp knife when slicing. This prevents the rice from sticking and ensures clean cuts. Don't be afraid to get creative with your fillings. Try different combinations of vegetables, fish, or even cooked meats to discover your favorite flavors. Making sushi at home is a fun and rewarding experience. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.